Where did it go? Where did it go? Let's go find it. Come on. Where is it? What did you do? Did you take that? Good girl. Good putty. Come on back now. Come on. Yes. Where's your bottle? Come on. Get it. What's that? She likes this much better, huh? Want to get it? Go get it. It's just too hot to go out and run middle of the day, so this is good enough. I don't know if you can see a size difference. The dark girl, which is blue, is just a little bit bigger. Always has. Hey, hey! What's that? What is that? Well, what do you think? Okay. See their faces. They can come out when it's cooler. Is that it? Huh? Don't have a squeaky toy. What? Oh, that is squeaky. Where is it? Yeah. What is it? Can you take it? Baby. Say adios. Good, good.